there is nothing like relaxing in nature. Okay, Seiko, I'm up. You can use your very own tent. You'll need a blanket to lie on, some light, a toy, some sticks for a foyer, and we can't forget your water. Now Seiko's the king of the castle. Come on, Seiko, work that doggy paddle. Are you getting tired? Don't worry, just come to shore. Here, I have just what you need. A doggy life vest. Look, it's got a shark fin on the top. Now we just need to clasp everything into place. And make sure it fits too. So, let's hit the waves. And you know, with this vest keeping you afloat, it does the work for you and makes you look cool. This trail is nice, but nature calls. There really aren't any bathrooms out here. So it's a good thing I've come prepared with a handy portable toilet. I just need to fold this part out. Now to add the lid on the bottom. And the seat right on top. A plastic bag will make cleanup a breeze. Now all I need is a little privacy. Yeah, I know, Seiko, you're tired. It's okay, we can take a little rest. But why sit on the ground and dirt when we can use this inflatable sofa? I just need to unhook it. There we go. Now to unfold. And collect a lot of air. Almost done. That should be enough. Now roll up the ends, clasp it together, and lie it down on the ground. Wow, there's plenty of room to share. Of course, you'll still sit on my lap. And the best part, it's got pockets. Just remember to keep nice and still. Uh-oh, nature calls. Again, I should head outside. Well, it looks like I'm staying put. No problem. This hiking underwear should help. The seal keeps you from spilling all over. And the cloth should keep you comfortable. All that's left is to pull them up and try them out. Well, disposing it outside, of course. Seiko, careful! You don't want to drink that water. Well, at least without treating it first. This looks like a job for our water filter. It's a hand press with a built-in compass. So now it's time to get pumping. Hook up the tubes and add a cup. You'll get clean water from the dirty water. Devices like this help remove odors, colors, and all sorts of impurities from the water. Look, clean water! And since we are near a lake, so drink up. There's plenty more where that came from. Oh, this fire is taking forever to start. Good thing I brought this BBQ fan. Just need to attach the crank. Let's start with a few warm-ups. And now let's fan the flames. Now that is a flame. Time to get cooking. And I like my hot dogs well done. Uh-oh, my socks are a mess. And I was even wearing shoes. My portable washer will take care of this. Just need to take the bag off and fill it up with dirty clothes. First, you place them inside the bigger bag. Roll up the top and clasp it together. Now you fill the bag with clean water. Good thing we brought that water filter. Fill right up to the dotted line. Plop the laundry pot inside. Now we need to shake it up. In other words, provide your own rinse cycle. Now just dump out the water. The clothes stay safe inside the first bag. Can't keep them wet, so wring them out. Hang them on a tree and let the sun do its job. Speaking of socks, check out these waterproof socks. They are nice and strong, but let's test them out. Even if you pour water on them, they are still perfectly fine to wear. Now that's already pretty impressive. But now it's time for the real test. Wearing them for a walk in the water. Though I'd also recommend wearing some waterproof shoes. What with all those stones in the water? Look, your feet are still dry underneath. Always great to sit back and enjoy nature. But you really need something to sit on. Good thing I brought my folding stool. Just open it up with these holes on top and stretch it out in full. Look, everything should hook into place. And now you can sit almost anywhere. Speaking of which, it's easy to move and customize too. Pretty great if you need to touch your toes. Come on, Seiko, gotta get our steps in. Oh no, the bottle's handle broke off. Good idea. Maybe a bottle lifter will help. You open it up to grab something. I just need to place it around the top and kind of clasp it into place. really helps you get a grip on things. Come on, Seiko!